Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we're on Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, the brother of Bitcoin, usually did pretty good back in the past, but it hasn't done much lately. I mean, definitely had some big movements, as you can see, but lately in the past, so far hasn't really awakened yet, just yet, what we want to see. And I do think Bitcoin Cash could be one of the better trades. I mean, PA wise, right? TA wise in that sort of sense. Could be one of the better trades in upcoming of late 2020, right, or maybe early 2021. We'll see how this one turns out. Definitely looking a couple of possibilities for this trade, and as you can see, basically we already had this area down here from before where we have taken a couple of trades and it went all the way up, and now kind of returned to our area yet again. Now the question really is, what is there to follow? And before we delve into that, I would like to say to you guys, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, punch the notification button so that you get our videos on your front page. And videos are made every day except on Sunday. So going back to Bitcoin Cash, right? There are two possibilities now. The first possibility is still this area, which in this sense you could have said right now that it's already been almost touched, right? It's been almost touched at this point right here. So yes, in some cases you could already said, okay, the area was touched, the first entry got missed, and that's about it, right? But in this sense, I would still do an entry just in case if it happens, right? So the area in this case, since it was so closely touched here, I would move it a little bit lower so that I would get a little bit lower entry as well. And in this case, I will put my entry right down here, and yes, move the stop loss to around here, which leaves me with a basically 7 or 8% stop loss. You can, if you want to do it a little bit safer, you can move stop loss under here, but as you can see, you're gonna be exceeding 10%, so it's not really to my point. I think this should be safe enough. So it is about 8% stop loss, which is basically what we are looking for, right, to begin with. The first profit target is then going to be located right here, 13% or 1.6 R, and this would be the first profit target, and kind of see if it's going to continue. The second profit target then locating all the way to up here, which would that bring us to 28%, 0.60 or 3.5 R, and the last profit target located in this box. And again, you can take bottom of the box or you can take top of the box. It is entirely up to you. I usually always go for the bottom because I do want that safe TP and I do want that TP to be hit. In this case, it is 40% and 5R. Okay, now going to the next opportunity, which is going to be the most likely one right now because we already reacted twice and we kind of did paint this bullish pattern. And this opportunity is going to go off if, Bitcoin and Ethereum stay good again. It's sadly like this. I'm like a broken record when I keep saying this every video, but it is sort of what it is when it comes to altcoins, sadly, right? So yes, the second area then being right here. This is basically the only possibility right now that I see that I would kind of tag as a safe buy still, right? So yes, this is still sort of in safe terms to be trading because I don't see any other possibilities of buying this coin anymore except here. So in this case, I would be putting stop loss actually underneath the low of the VIX, due to the fact that how it reacted before. It can actually return back here, go to around VIX all the way down here, or maybe possibly even lower, and then go back up. So I will take the maximum safe route possible right here. In this case, I'll say the stop loss is going to be about 7 to 8%, right? Depends on your entry. And now the first profit target is going to be exactly the same as it is from this trade. The second target from this trade, what I'm trying to say. And you can see it's going to be about 7%. So actually, due to the fact we could probably stretch it a little bit, and I'm going to make a box at it because we do want targets to be above F1R, and I don't want to make my stop any bigger. So in this case, I'll do a box and I'll stretch it to top of the box. So I'll get 1.18 or 9%, right? Because, reaction down here is a little bit more bullish than all the way down here. So I'll stretch the profit target as well. I don't see the issue in this trade right now to stretch the profit target just a little bit, but it definitely needs to be taken around here, because the fact is we don't know if it's going to continue, right? If it's going to bounce bullish, even though this is what we're playing for in this trade, right? The second profit target is then going to be located same here. Can be bottom of the box, can be top of the box. If you take top of the box is 22% or almost 3R, which is pretty good. And the last profit target right here would be located in this area right here, which is going to be like this, and I'm going to make a line for it right here. That would be the last profit target, and that would be located quite, wait, let me just adjust it just a little bit to the point where I should think it's going to be a rejection right here. So that would be 37% or 4.7R. So you can see pretty good trade. Now, I wouldn't be just calling this trade out because I think it's going to make only the 40% move. Obviously, I'm saying this is one of the, should be one of the better trades if we continue with the bull market, right? So yes, I'll probably do in future some more videos about Bitcoin Cash because I do think it's gonna do something way more, and next time I'm gonna check it on a bigger chart that has more history behind it so that you kind of get more grasp of what I'm talking about, right? And also, this is one of those trades that if it's gonna do this, we're definitely gonna go in for refill because like I already said, I got big plans. So before we end this video, guys, I would like to tell you again to subscribe to our channel, punch that notification button, right, like the video, you know, and also join us at 4C Telegram channels, right, where we discuss stop losses, trades like this, do Bitcoin analysis daily, and all that fun stuff, right? So yes, and all of that, and I guess we will see each other in the new one.